What's good, y'all? Welcome to the channel. It's me, Ashley. I'm super excited to bring this channel to you guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm gonna bring y'all all kind of stuff. We talking unboxings of sneakers, we talking fashion, we talking clothes, we talking media, we talking everything, anything related to just looking fly, feeling good, making sure your confidence is high, man. It's all about having confidence, you know, feeling good, going out every day, having that energy, being able to, you know, really feel good about yourself. So today, for the first video, I want to bring y'all an unboxing of a shoe that just came out recently. As you can see from the title, we unboxing a pair of 11s today. These 11s are probably my favorite Jordan, by the way, just for the record. So if you see an overflow of Jordan 11s, then you understand why. That's just personally my favorite Jordan. I think aesthetically they look the best. Now I will say they're not the most comfortable one. I will admit that, but they are the most beautiful in terms of the craftsmanship, the different layers of material, the different just fashion, dress it up, dress it down, all that. So I'm gonna bring y'all the unboxing today. Just wanted to come on here, introduce myself, let y'all know I'm here. We about to get it done.
A few moments later.
Bam! You got your Jordan 11. You got your regular Jordan box. They didn't do nothing crazy with the box or anything for these. Just a generic box. Label says size 12, Air Jordan 11 retro low, medium gray, white Gunsmoke, size 12. I am Bigfoot gang, don't judge me, it's all love. This is what I do, and I feel like just because you got big feet, you should look fly too. Price $175. You know, Jordan's got the inflation happening right now. It's all good, you know, it's all love. So you open it up, just a generic paper. I have opened them already. I haven't worn them yet, but I have opened the box, so it's a little wrinkled. But Jordan paper, 23s on there with the gold happening. Then you open them up. Bam! So you got your two Jordan 11 lows. This is your beautiful shoe, man. Like, you got your gray pattern with the suede leather, white shoestrings. You got the icy bottom, white midsole. I mean, I think they just did a great job on these shoes all around. You can see the bottom. You just got the regular icy bottom. You know, I think they just did a great job with this shoe. You can see they got the suede happening right here. If y'all can see that detail a little bit. And I'll give y'all a nice little view of the shoes in a minute here. But I think all around, they just did a great job on this shoe, man. It's a very well-made shoe. I don't have any real defects on there. You know, I've been wearing Jordans for a long time, and you know, sometimes you do get them and they do have, you know, some imperfections, and you know, overall these are great, man. I am personally a fan. I think that these are a nice summer kick, nice something to have in your summer collection, just to be able to rock these with some nice shorts and a shirt, and just, you know, kind of go out and enjoy your day. I think they're awesome. For the Bigfoot gang, obviously, you know, you wear size 12, anything is gonna pretty much look big, but on the spectrum, these don't make you look too crazy, they don't make your feet look too big. So, you know, I think that they're a great shoe, man. You know, I was obviously a fan of the high top ones as well. So for me, these were like a no-brainer just to have these for the summer as the low top pair. You know, it was pretty much a easy decision for me. So, you know, if you feeling them, I definitely recommend them. I think they're an amazing shoe. They're made very well, and you know, they look real good. So, you know, that's the Jordan 11 low, cool gray, man. Great shoe. Thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. Like I said, man, we got much more content coming for this channel. So if you like what you see, if you like my energy, if you feeling me, comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, be a part of my community, because I'm telling you, we going up. It's all up from here, baby. We going up. I'm gonna bring y'all so much content. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be amazing. I want y'all a part of this journey, man. I want y'all here. So I'm Ashley. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.